In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a picture a circle or other shape in Google Slides. This is a quick guide to enhancing your presentations by integrating shaped images, adding a professional touch and a creative flair. To start with, open the Google slide you're working on and locate the picture you'd like to modify. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on that picture to select it. This initial selection is crucial because it tells Google Slides which image you want to edit. Now, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of your screen. Among the various icons, find the one that resembles a cropping tool. It should look like a small rectangle with diagonal lines at its corners. Next to this icon is a small arrow pointing downward. This is the secret to unlocking new ways to present your image. Click on that arrow and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, you'll want to choose the option that says Shape. This opens up a new world of possibilities because you can now convert your image into various shapes that Google Slides offers. Once you select Shape, you'll be presented with various shape options. These range from basic shapes like rectangles and circles to stars, arrows, and many more fun options. For today's demonstration, let's decide to go with a circle. Click on the circle to select it. Almost instantly, you'll see the magic happen as your picture is cropped into a circular shape. It's that easy. The transformation is seamless, and Google Slides automatically applies the crop, giving you a perfectly rounded image. If the shape isn't quite the size you want, don't worry. You can easily adjust it. Click on the image again. You'll notice small blue squares appear at the corners. These squares are your resizing handles. By dragging them, you can make the image larger or smaller according to your preference. To also perfect the positioning, click inside the shape and drag the image around until it's exactly where you'd like it. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've turned a basic picture into a dynamic shaped image, adding an engaging visual element to your presentation. Remember, you can experiment with different shapes to see what best fits the theme or style of your slides. This technique not only elevates the aesthetic appeal of your presentation, but also helps capture your audience's attention effectively. Thanks for tuning in, and happy presenting!